come you can't tell secrets in the cornfield? Too many ears listen. So, anyway, that leads us to today. We're going to be cooking some corn, okay? All right, now the first important thing you want to do is you want to read the instructions, because some of these actually you have to dump out the juice, add the water to the corn, and some of them you don't. This particular one you don't. You just open it up, put it in the pot, cook it, good to go. All right, let's get this can open and cook some corn. But this one does have a little pull ring right here. You just pop it back and let the goodness flow.
All right, here we go, guys. Got our pan on here. Let's turn the eyes on. And like I was mentioned earlier, it has this little pull tab right there. That you want to pop it up, just like an old soda can, if you can remember. Take it off. All right, pour the can in there. This is a ready to eat can of corn, but you want to take this, put it in there. All right, I smash them a little bit, that way they can't come out, because once you throw them in the garbage, they will slice up your garbage bag. So this way it won't come out. Okay, food for thought. As you can see here, it's starting to heat up a little bit. So let's give this thing a stir while it's getting up to temp and up to par. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's check and see if the corn's ready. We got a thermometer out. And let's see, put it right there in the middle though, by the way. All right, it's over 200, so it is ready.
All right, let's take a look at our corn.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of cooking canned corn. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. But I do want to take a minute to teach you and to show you what I mean by blending ingredients. In my past videos, I made a crispy chicken, I made white gravy, I made pan fried potatoes and onions, and just now we made some corn. But blending them together, this is part of what I mean. Okay, let me show you this. I'm gonna put some gravy on this. Guys, it just don't get no better than this. Alright, it really doesn't. As always, guys, have a great day and blend those ingredients.